Meaning of Gruyère.
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 Gruyère. Gruyère is a type of cheese that originated in Switzerland and takes its name from the town of Gruyères. It is a hard cheese with a nutty flavor and a slightly grainy texture. The cheese is made from cow's milk, which is heated and mixed with rennet to coagulate the milk. The resulting curds are then pressed and aged for several months, developing the signature nutty and sweet flavors. Gruyère is commonly used in dishes such as quiches, fondues, and gratins and is a popular choice for cheeseboards and sandwiches.